Hi kids, welcome back. Let's learn colors name. Brown, pink, green, sky blue, orange, purple, black, violet, blue, yellow, green and red color. Kids, इस वीडियो में हम ट्रेस करेंगे A, B, C. Let's trace. We are tracing capital letter A. A for apple. Now kids, we are tracing letter B. B for butterfly. Kids, we are tracing letter C. C for cat. Kids, now we are tracing letter D. D for duck. Kids, we are tracing letter E. For elephant. Kids, we are tracing letter F. F for fish. Again A, B, C, D, E, F. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.